Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate guide to exploring the world's most fascinating cities. Today we're diving deep into one of the most electrifying and culturally rich destinations on the planet, Tokyo, Japan. A city where ancient temples stand peacefully alongside towering skyscrapers. Neon lights illuminate streets filled with quirky fashion and futuristic technology, and every corner tells a story that blends the past with the future. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Tokyo offers an endless array of unforgettable experiences. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the top 10 best places to visit in Tokyo, carefully curated to give you the perfect blend of tradition, innovation, and sheer excitement. Let's kick things off with a magical journey that will transport you straight into the world of fantasy, the Ghibli Museum. Located in the quiet suburb of Mitaka, this museum is a treasure trove for fans of Studio Ghibli's timeless animated films like My Neighbor Totoro and Spirited Away. As you step through its doors, you're enveloped in a whimsical atmosphere that feels like walking into one of their enchanting movies. The museum displays exquisite original artworks, fascinating exhibits about the animation process, and interactive sections where you can watch how these beloved films come to life. One of the most special aspects of the Ghibli Museum is its atmosphere filled with childlike wonder, a place that inspires creativity and imagination for visitors of all ages. Just keep in mind, tickets are highly sought after and sell out fast, so it's essential to book yours well in advance. Also, photography is strictly prohibited inside to preserve the magic and make your experience truly immersive. After that enchanting start, it's time to find peace amidst the bustling city at Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. This stunning park is one of Tokyo's largest and most beautiful green spaces, offering a perfect escape from the urban rush. What makes Shinjuku Gyoen unique is its blend of three distinct garden styles: traditional Japanese gardens with their serene ponds and meticulously pruned trees, classic English landscapes with rolling lawns and flower beds, and formal French gardens featuring elegant symmetry and fountains. If you visit in spring, you'll be treated to spectacular cherry blossoms that turn the garden into a soft, pink paradise. In autumn, vibrant red, orange, and gold leaves create a fiery canopy that's absolutely breathtaking. Whether you want to take a peaceful stroll along tranquil pathways or enjoy a leisurely picnic under ancient trees, Shinjuku Gyoen offers a refreshing oasis smack in the heart of Tokyo. No Tokyo adventure would be complete without indulging in its legendary food scene, and there's no better place to dive into it than Tsukiji Outer Market. While the inner wholesale fish market has moved to Toyosu, the outer market remains alive and vibrant, a bustling hub where street vendors sell fresh seafood, local sweets, and savory snacks all day long. Imagine grabbing a bowl of sushi freshly prepared before your eyes, or tasting grilled eel that melts in your mouth. Don't miss trying tamago, a sweet Japanese-style omelet that tastes as delicious as it looks unique. For those feeling adventurous, fresh uni or sea urchin served over rice is an unforgettable delicacy that captures the essence of Japanese seafood cuisine. The market buzzes with energy, filled with enticing smells and lively chatter, making it a paradise for food lovers. Pro tip: arrive early in the morning to catch the best offerings before they sell out. Next up on our list is Odaiba, Tokyo's futuristic island playground nestled in Tokyo Bay. Odaiba perfectly combines entertainment, shopping, and cutting-edge technology to create an unforgettable experience for visitors. One of its standout attractions is TeamLab Planets, an immersive digital art museum where light and sound installations respond to your every movement. Each visit offers a unique experience as art literally surrounds and interacts with you in mesmerizing ways. Beyond that, Odaiba boasts sprawling shopping malls filled with everything from luxury brands to quirky souvenirs. Don't forget to relax by the seaside parks that offer stunning views of Tokyo Bay's glittering waters. And anime fans, get ready for an absolute highlight: the life-sized Gundam robot at Diver City Mall. Standing tall and impressive, this giant robot statue is a testament to Japan's love for robotics and animation culture. Whether you're into art, shopping, or just soaking in spectacular views, Odaiba has something for everyone. For those who thrive on vibrant street culture and fashion-forward vibes, Harajuku's Takeshita Street is an absolute must-see. This colorful and quirky hotspot perfectly captures Tokyo's bold and youthful style. As you stroll down Takeshita Street, you'll be greeted by boutiques offering everything from kawaii or cute accessories to high-fashion gear that pushes boundaries. The street food here is just as exciting. Try rainbow-colored cotton candy that looks like it belongs in a fantasy land, or Japanese crepes stuffed with fresh fruit, whipped cream, or even savory fillings for a quick, delicious snack. Harajuku is also famous for its cosplay culture. Don't be surprised if you see people dressed up as characters from anime, manga, or video games, adding to this neighborhood's dynamic and playful atmosphere. Whether you're here to shop, people watch, or simply soak up the vibrant energy, Harajuku promises an experience unlike any other. Tech enthusiasts and pop culture fans will find their paradise in Akihabara, known affectionately as Electric Town. This district pulses with energy from towering arcades filled with classic games and the latest virtual reality experiences. Massive electronics shops like Yodobashi Camera stocked floor after floor with gadgets galore, and countless anime-themed cafes where you can immerse yourself in Japan's geek culture. If you've ever wanted to experience a maid cafe, where waitresses dressed as maids serve food amid playful theatrics, Akihabara is the place to be. The streets are chaotic yet colorful, filled with giant billboards and neon lights that create an atmosphere buzzing with excitement 24/7. Whether you're hunting for rare manga volumes or just want to soak up the electric vibe of this unique district, Akihabara will not disappoint. Amid all this urban excitement lies a peaceful sanctuary known as Meiji Shrine. Dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, this Shinto shrine offers a spiritual retreat surrounded by a lush forest in central Tokyo. Walking through its towering torii gates feels like stepping into another world, one of calmness and tradition far removed from city noise. The shrine itself features beautiful dark wood architecture showcasing traditional Japanese design at its finest. Visitors can participate in cultural customs like writing wishes on EMA, small wooden plaques hung around the shrine, or even witness traditional Japanese wedding processions if luck is on their side. Meiji Shrine offers a perfect balance between culture and tranquility right in Tokyo's heart. Step back in time with a visit to Asakusa's Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest and most iconic Buddhist temple located in one of its most historic districts. Your journey begins at Kaminarimon Gate, with its massive red lantern that welcomes visitors from around the world. From there, stroll down Nakamisa Street, a bustling pedestrian lane filled with traditional shops selling souvenir snacks like ningyo-yaki, adorable doll-shaped sponge cakes, and crunchy senbei rice crackers, perfect for snacking as you explore. The temple complex itself is breathtaking with towering pagodas and ornate structures steeped in history and spiritual significance. Here you can also buy omamori, protective charms said to bring luck and safety, or try your hand at omikuji fortune-telling for a glimpse into your future. For jaw-dropping views of Tokyo's vast cityscape, head up to Tokyo Skytree, Japan's tallest structure soaring 634 meters into the sky. From its observation decks, you'll enjoy panoramic vistas stretching across the city. On clear days, you can even spot majestic Mount Fuji far in the distance. Section night views, Shibuya Crossing, and day trips duration, 10-09-11-19, on 4s. Scene 1, Tokyo Skytree at nighttime code, 00100990010259 Tokyo. Skytree transforms at night into a dazzling beacon as thousands of city lights twinkle below like stars against a dark canvas. Scene 2, Entertainment Hub, time code, 0010-259-0010-399. The complex also includes shopping centers and an aquarium at its base, making it more than just an observation tower. It's an entertainment hub designed for all ages. And finally, no visit to Tokyo would be complete without experiencing Shibuya Crossing. Arguably one of the busiest pedestrian intersections in the world, and an unmistakable symbol of Tokyo's vibrant energy. Scene 4. The spectacle of Shibuya Crossing Time Code 0010 599 0011 009. Here, thousands of people cross from all directions at once in what looks like organized chaos but runs like clockwork beneath giant neon signs and massive digital screens flashing colorful advertisements. Scene 5, Best Vantage Point Time Code 0011 0090 011 199 for the best vantage point. Head up to Starbucks on the rooftop of Shibuya Scramble Square, where you can sip your coffee while watching this amazing spectacle unfold below. A true kaleidoscope of lights, colors, and human movement that captures Tokyo's pulse perfectly. If you find yourself with extra time beyond these incredible spots, consider venturing out on some fantastic day trips near Tokyo. Mount Takao is a favorite among locals for hiking with scenic views and a charming temple at its summit. A great way to reconnect with nature without straying far from city comforts. Another excellent option is Yokohama, Japan's second-largest city, known for its beautiful harbor views, vibrant Chinatown filled with delicious eats, and even the quirky Cup Noodles Museum where you can learn about one of Japan's most famous inventions. Tokyo truly embodies endless adventure. It's fast-paced yet serene, ancient yet futuristic, chaotic yet orderly. Every corner holds something new waiting to be discovered by curious travelers like you. Thank you so much for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this incredible journey through Tokyo's top destinations. If you enjoyed this guide packed with culture, technology, food, fashion, and breathtaking sights, please hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our latest travel videos. Don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. Follow us on social media for daily travel inspiration and behind-the-scenes content. And visit travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive travel tips and more detailed guides. Until next time, keep exploring with Traveling Kangaroo, your passport to amazing adventures around the world.